Hello, I am Henry Agustine, and I'm here to tell you about my new CD. Lunch. Have to save it for 12:30. Why, thank you. The soothing sounds of Henry Agustine. Let's see what is inside. This CD ranges in many genres, including country, I'm all alone, my life is gone, my life is ruined, 'cause I drank some beer and whiskey. Now me and my horse got a little freaky, yeah. Jazz funk, my bear, me and my teddy bear, my teddy bear. Rock metal. When I close my eyes, all I see. When I close my eyes, all I see is the back of my eyelid. Classical. Hip hop. Hey, the ogre is me. Be flounder is him. They retard is us. We're here together, and you know what? We're here to get stung. And I even sing in my own native language. Order now and you will receive 2 new bonus tracks with your order. This includes the acoustic track. I can't do it. I can't stop with my fingers. And also includes this remix of the complete works of the ancients.
Hello, Henry Agustine. Hello. Ancient. I fart, shart, knowing what you are doing. Let's read. I slowly fart, release, shart, not your pants. Ancient fart.
What? Who did this? Who remixed this? Who is responsible for this inexplicable thing? What you call funny? John! Where's John? John! I didn't make it. You made this.
I didn't make
You made this. You did this.
No, put that down. Put it down. No, don't pull that out.